Welcome to the RMail video short series and walkthrough of the RMail Online sending app. From the app's marketplace, to get started, click the red "Click here to get started" button. A new tab will open where you can create an account by clicking the blue Create an Account button, or if you already have an account, you can simply press the Login button. After putting in your username and your password, you are brought to a full-feature Compose page with all of the RMail features at your fingertips. You have the RMail Track and Prove service for proof of delivery, content, and time, either marked with a registered email banner or unmarked. You have the email encryption feature for sending emails and documents privately or for compliance. You have the RMail E-Sign feature for getting documents signed and signed off quickly. And you have a shortcut to the RSign full-featured web-based electronic signature service by pressing the RSign link. You have the file share feature where you can send documents with a cumulative size of up to 1 gigabyte. You have the SideNote option where you can add a private note to just the copied and/or blind copied recipients. There's a registered reply feature to record the replies of your emails as a registered email message. And you can add a client or reference code for email management. To add attachments, simply drag and drop the attachment in the proper location or click the link to upload documents from your computer. Because this is a web-based Compose page, it is not linked to your mail client, so you can click the Copy Me checkbox so you'll receive a copy in your inbox. Other options including saving documents as a draft for sending emails out in the future, and there are many settings available to set and configure the sender's and receiver's experience. Make sure you view other RMail videos on how to send emails and documents with proof, privacy, compliance, and e-signatures. Thank you for listening.